The top commodities the United States imports from Japan are vehicles, machinery, and electrical and electronic equipment. These products form the backbone of U.S. Japan trade, and every year, they arrive at American ports in massive volumes, fueling industries and meeting consumer demand. Picture bustling Japanese factories and shipping yards, where precision engineering and advanced technology are loaded into containers bound for the United States. As we explore the full landscape of import costs from Japan, you will see how these goods move from the heart of Japan's manufacturing centers to the shelves and showrooms across America. But what does it actually cost to bring these products in? Let us break it down. Importing goods from Japan to the United States involves a range of costs, and understanding these is crucial for any importer or business owner. The main expenses include tariffs, customs duties, merchandise processing fees, harbor maintenance fees, and transportation costs. Additionally, some products may face special anti-dumping duties. The total you pay will depend on the value of your shipment and whether it qualifies as a formal or informal entry. Shipments valued at less than $2,500 can often be imported as informal entries, with the United States Customs and Border Protection, or CBP, handling much of the paperwork. For commercial freight or shipments valued at $2,500 or more, formal entry procedures apply, which can mean additional fees and requirements. One of the first costs you will encounter is the tariff, which is essentially a tax on imported goods. Currently, there is a tariff on most Japanese products entering the United States. These rates can change at any time, so it is vital to check the latest updates before arranging your shipment. In addition to tariffs, you will also pay import duties, which are taxes imposed on goods crossing international borders. The United States Customs and Border Protection, or CBP, is responsible for ensuring these duties are paid. To find the duty rate for your specific product, you can use the Harmonized Tariff Schedule, often referred to as the HTS, or consult with a licensed customs broker. Some Japanese products can be imported duty-free or at a reduced rate, thanks to the United States-Japan Trade Agreement, but this is not universal. Products that qualify will have a JP marking under their assigned tariff rate. Another important cost to consider is the Merchandise Processing Fee, or MPF. This fee is charged by the CBP on most goods entering the country. The MPF is calculated as an ad valorem rate of 0.3464% of the total value of your goods. The cost can vary depending on whether your shipment is an informal or formal entry, with formal entries having a minimum and maximum charge. As of October 1st, 2025, the maximum MPF is $651.50. In addition to the MPF, if your goods are arriving by sea, you will need to pay the Harbor Maintenance Fee, or HMF. This fee is 0.125% of your cargo's value and applies only to shipments arriving at United States ports by vessel. If you choose to ship by air, you can avoid the HMF, but air transport is often significantly more expensive, especially for larger volumes. Transportation costs are a major component of your overall import expenses. For small parcels or online purchases, shipping is typically arranged through the platform's provider or an international postal service, and they will inform you of the expected charges. For larger shipments, especially commercial cargo, you will likely use containerized ocean transport. Containers generally come in 20-foot and 40-foot sizes, and you can pay for a full container load, FCL, or less than container load, LCL, where you share space and costs with other importers. For example, shipping a container from the port of Nagoya in Japan to the port of Los Angeles in California is common due to the high volume of trade between these ports. You will also need to submit an importer security filing and purchase a customs bond for ocean shipments, with costs ranging from $50 to $500 depending on the customs broker and the services included. Alternatively, you can ship by air, with major freight moving through Narita International Airport in Japan and Los Angeles International Airport in the United States. Shipping a pallet by air between these airports can cost more than ocean freight, but the transit time is just about 10 hours. Beyond standard tariffs and duties, some Japanese products are subject to special anti-dumping and countervailing duties. These are designed to protect United States industries from unfairly low-priced imports. For example, the United States implemented anti-dumping duties on Japanese melamine. These duties can dramatically increase the cost of importing affected products, so it is essential to check whether your goods are subject to any such regulations before proceeding. The United States-Japan Trade Agreement, often abbreviated as the USJTA, was established to promote smoother trade between the two countries. While it originally allowed many agricultural and industrial products to enter the United States duty-free, this is no longer the case for most goods. The trade agreement still allows some products to benefit from reduced or zero duty rates, indicated by the JP marking in the harmonized tariff schedule. However, for most importers, the USJTA will not eliminate the main tariffs or fees. It remains important to verify whether your specific products qualify for any benefits under the agreement. Calculating your total import costs from Japan involves a few key steps. First, identify the HTS code for your shipment. Then, multiply your product's tariff rate by its total value. For the merchandise processing fee, multiply the total value by 0.3464%. And for the harbor maintenance fee, multiply the value by 0.125%. Add these figures together, and then include your shipping and insurance costs. Importing from Japan can be complex, with multiple regulations, fees, and steps to manage. To ensure you are compliant and avoid costly mistakes, consider working with a licensed customs broker or professional consulting service. Licensed customs brokers are available through USA Customs Clearance to guide you through the import process, from obtaining the necessary registrations to protecting your supply chain's confidentiality. Whether you are new to importing or managing high-volume shipments, professional assistance can save you time and money. Remember, every shipment is unique, so always verify the latest rates and requirements before you import. With careful planning and the right support, you can successfully bring top-quality Japanese goods into the United States and grow your business with confidence.